Dominic Garcia. There you go. Palakpakan po natin si Dominic. Wala pa tayong mga kumain dyan. Once again, palakpakan po natin si Dominic. Okay, once again, folks, that is Dominic, our Brahminicae, or also known as the Banug. Now, Brahminicae are the birds of prey, or raptor. Raptor came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to drag. And as you notice, Kuya Jimar natin is wearing a protective glove because all raptors have sharp and powerful talons. By the way, folks, this afternoon, ipapakita ni Dominic ang kanyang hunting skill or ang kanyang hunting behavior sa inyo po. So, ayan, mukhang ready na si Dominic at andyan na din si Kuya Jimar sa harap. Okay, now, Dominic, yeah, ayun po sa, as you can see, folks, Dominic serve food and snatches food from Kuya Jimar. So, ganyan po yung ginagawa nila sa Wild Folks. And once again, guys, ipapakita ulit yan ni Dominic. Alright, Dominic, one more time for that boy. And there you go. Okay, folks, palakpakan po natin si Dominic. Okay na, folks, Brahminicae practice food parasitism. Food parasitism is taking food from us. Ayan na si Kali, folks. Yeah, perfect. There you go. At syempre kasama rin dito ang kanyang personal trainer, Kuya Siley. Okay na, Kali? Are you ready to fly? And there you go. Palapakan po natin si Kali, folks. Okay, once again, folks, that is Kali, our eastern grass owl. Now, folks, grass owls are predator birds. Did you know that they can able to turn their heads 270 degrees? Grass owls are nocturnal animals. Kaya naman, their very large eyes allow them to collect as much light as possible during nighttime when they hunt. Fun fact about this animal, they are the quietest birds when they're in flight. Hindi po natin maririnig ang kanilang mga pakpak kapag sila ay lumilipad. That's all for Kali muna. Palakpakan po natin sila. Siyempre, Kuya Siley. Thank you so much. There you go. Palakpakan po natin sila, folks. Alright, and once again, guys, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. At siyempre, kasama niyo nga ng personal trainer, Kuya Michael, of reviewing muna, no? Alright, para mas makita nyo sa malapitan si Lakas. Again, pwede po tayo mag-take ng pictures and videos po. Basta, folks, yung mga flash po natin, paki-turn off lang po. Baka kasi ma-distract sila, folks, at lilipad sila palayo. Maraming salamat po. Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with a scientific name of Haliaetus leucogaster. Leuco meaning white and gaster meaning belly. That's why they call them the white-bellied sea eagle. The white-bellied sea eagle are commonly found near coastal areas of Australia, India, and also here in the Philippines. The white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines because their wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan po kalapa na ganyang mga pakpak, lalo na pag nasa adult size na sila po. Now guys, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors. But here in Davao Crocodile Park in Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors. Namely, the Brahminicae, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, at syempre ang eastern grass owl. That's all for Lakas po. Palakpakan mo natin. At syempre, Kuya Michael, thank you.